Thank you for watching the episode of Stone's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love and make next. Tonight, I've got some hot off the presses kits from BrickCraft. One is a Family Guy, which has Stewie on his trike there. And we'll show the backside real quick. Yep, and then the next one is BENDER from FUTURAMA. He says fully posable and fully posable BENDER. And, he's got his gold chain. So we're going to build these tonight and give you, hopefully kind of a first look at these kits from BrickCraft. They should be a lot of fun. I do enjoy both of those franchises, so I'm looking forward to it. All right, let's get building.
I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed. And one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.